Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna let you know the 5 best crypto trading apps for beginners. Now choosing the best crypto trading app significantly impacts your trading experiences, especially if you're a beginner. So here are the 5 crypto trading apps. First of all, you could go with the Coinbase. For that, open up a Play Store and on the search box type in Coinbase and you could go and install it. Now the Coinbase is one of the most user-friendly and popular cryptocurrency exchange. It is known for its intuitive interface and robust security features. Now, its key features are its easy to sign up process, supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, educational resources through Coinbase Exchange, all of that. Now, Binance is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, offering a wide variety of cryptocurrencies and advanced trading features. And its key features that a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, advanced charting and technical indicators, staking and earning features, competitive trading features, and secure wallet. Next is a Kraken. This Kraken is known for strong security measures and comprehensive suite of trading tools. It is a great option for both beginners and more experienced traders as well. Key feature is wide ranges of supported cryptocurrency, advanced security features, margin trading, and future trading as well. On the fourth number, there is Gemini. You could go ahead and open up your Play Store and type in Gemini, that's a regulated cryptocurrency exchange known for its strong emphasis. Now, the key feature is user-friendly interface, strong security measures, including insurance for digital asset. So Gemini earning interest on holding. Now, last but not least, it's the Etoro or onto your Apple device or an iOS. Now, Etoro is a social trading platform that allows users to follow and copy the trade of experienced trader. It deals for the beginners who want to learn from others. So the key feature is that social trading features, easy to use interface, wide range of cryptocurrency, practice account for demo trading as well. So these are 5 best crypto trading app for beginner. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.